The rise of the first cells. When Earth finally cooled after its chaotic beginnings and the oceans formed, organic molecules were everywhere. In these warm, shallow waters, the quiet and hidden spark of life began. From molecule to protocell, the first boundary between non-life and life. For millions of years, molecules collided, bonded, and broke apart until tiny fat bubbles formed in the water. These bubbles created the first inside and outside, like a miniature room floating in the ocean. They weren't true cells yet, but protocells, the earliest structures able to protect their internal chemistry. Inside some of these protocells appeared a remarkable molecule, RNA, a molecule capable of copying itself. Protocells containing RNA survived longer, grew better, and sometimes even split apart from this primitive division. The first real cell was born. The first true inhabitants, the rise of prokaryotes. About 3.8 billion years ago, the first living organisms appeared, prokaryotes. They were simple, no nucleus, no organelles, but incredibly powerful. Two major branches emerged. One, bacteria, masters of survival. They lived everywhere, in boiling vents, acidic pools, volcanic rocks. Some fed on minerals, others on sulfur, and some used sunlight. 2. Archaea, the mythical creatures of the deep. Archaea thrived in extreme environments, boiling water at 100 degrees Celsius. Pure salt, methane-rich growth, deep hydrothermal vents. If we ever find life on another planet, it will probably resemble Archaea. But the Great Revolution, the birth of photosynthesis. Back then, Earth had an oxygen. Then, a group of prokaryotes discovered a world-changing trick, photosynthesis. These were cyanobacteria. Tiny, blue, green, almost invisible, yet unbelievably powerful. They use sunlight to make food and release something Earth had never seen before, oxygen. Over millions of years, the ocean filled with oxygen, the atmosphere transformed, and the protective ozone layer formed. The air we breathe today, a gift from these microorganisms. Earth was born again. Oxygen wiped out many early organisms that couldn't tolerate it, but others adapted, learned to use oxygen for energy, and gained a huge advantage. From this oxygen-rich world came complex cells, algae, plants, animals, and eventually us.